Hi, good evening, everybody, esteemed guests, parents, students, faculty. My name is Stacey Sweeter, and I'm a graduate of the class of 91 and parent of graduates of the classes of 21 and 23. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today to share my story and the incredible impact that the Academy of the Holy Names education has had on me, both in my career and in my life. As I reflect on my time at this school, I'm reminded of the unique environment it provided me, one that has shaped me into the person I am today. And to the person I am today. An all-woman education isn't just about what is taught in the classroom. It is about the mindset, the confidence, the faith, the friendships, and the empowerment that it instills. From the very first day I walked into this school, I walked into a community where I felt valued and my potential was limitless. I was surrounded by ambitious young women who, like me, dreamed big. And it wasn't just about being encouraged to dream, it was about being given the tools to make those dreams become a reality. I learned to speak up, I learned to lead, I learned to advocate for myself. This school didn't just teach me history or math. It taught me the value of resilience, how to navigate challenges, how to turn obstacles into opportunities. I was given the chance to explore many leadership roles, and through those experiences, I developed the confidence to lead teams, communicate effectively, and make decisions with conviction. But it wasn't just about academic excellence. It was about fostering a deep sense of community and sisterhood. In an all-woman environment, I learned to collaborate and to uplift others. We celebrated each other's successes. We worked together through failures and challenges. We were encouraged not only to be the best version of ourselves, but also to support one another's growths. When I graduated, I didn't just leave with a diploma. I left with a sense of purpose and a belief in myself that I could take on the world. And this belief has been a cornerstone of my career. No matter what challenges I faced, I know that I am capable and I have the strength to succeed. Knowing that I wanted our children to have the same experience as I did, I knew it might be a challenge to convince my husband of the why. He saw confidence, courage, lifelong friendships, faith formation, amazing academic opportunities, athletic programs. He was in awe. He told me, Holy Names is more than a prep school. This place prepares you for life. When he passed away unexpectedly in 2022, our family established a scholarship in his memory to work to provide these same opportunities to other young women. To the prospective parents here today, imagine your daughter learning in a space where she's constantly encouraged to explore, to question, to lead, to grow. Imagine her being surrounded by peers who support her, challenge her, empower her, help her reach her full potential. Here, your daughter will learn that success is just not about the grades that she gets, but the confidence that she builds and the friendships she fosters. She will leave this school equipped with the skills to excel in any field, whether it's science, technology, the arts, business, and most importantly, she will leave with the knowledge that she is capable of achieving whatever she sets her mind to. To the parents here today, I encourage you to encourage your daughter thriving, gaining not just an education, but a foundation that will last a lifetime. In closing, I can say without a doubt that all the women education I received at AHN has been the foundation for my career success and my personal growth. It is a place that just doesn't teach you what you need to know. It teaches you what you can become. And for that, I am forever grateful. Thank you for your time.